Hi everyone, Steve here from Imperial Light Magic with a quick tip for you today. If you've got a screw, something like an M3 for example, that you need to cut down to a different size. Now you've got different ways of doing this. You can use a Dremel obviously or a hacksaw. If you don't have access to your power tools or you just want to do it sort of perhaps a bit more quickly, and you happen to have a set of wire strippers around, and you can oftentimes use these so long as they're a fairly, good, strong set. You'll notice that a lot of them have got these circles around here, and a lot of people don't actually realize what those are for. They are actually threaded. So you can see it says M, it'll be reversed on obviously because I'm using the selfie camera, but it'll be marked up as M1, M2, M3, M3.5, whatever else. And what you can actually do is these, as I say, are threaded, so they actually do act as a cutter. Takes a bit of effort, especially on, if you're getting up in bigger sizes, but M3 is not too bad. So what you can do is you can actually thread it through the back side, as you can see I'm doing there, and you'll notice it's starting to come out the front. Now I'm just going to use a battery screwdriver just to whip that in. So I've already marked this one up, maybe a bit difficult to see on the camera, to where I want it, which is about there. So as you can see, it's actually threaded itself through. Now, it does take quite a lot of effort, and be careful you don't pinch fingers and things. It's very easy, as you can tell, to pinch your fingers. But with a bit of effort, actually, there you go, not too much. This was a fairly soft screw type. There you go, you get a pretty nice clean cut. So just wanted to really mention that because I know a lot of people probably don't even realise that that's actually what these markings are for on the front of a set of wire strippers. They're actually for cutting screws. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.